Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. As the coronavirus pandemic continues to rise, it has become all the more important to boost our immunity to keep the virus at bay. Immunity cannot be strengthened overnight. Hence, it is advisable to try one of these recipes every day early in the morning before consuming any food item. First, we have turmeric ginger tea. First of all, start by putting a cup of water for boiling. Then add a pinch of turmeric and stir the concoction well. Next, add half inch of grated ginger, followed by cinnamon and pepper powder. Stir and let it boil for a while. Now squeeze half lemon and let the tea sit for a while. If the tea is very strong for you, then you may add a teaspoon of honey. Turmeric contains the chemical compound curcumin, which has been shown to aid in treating and preventing several chronic conditions. Many people take turmeric and ginger at the first sign of sickness, hoping to enhance immune function and sidestep COVID. Next in line, we have turmeric milk. Start by putting a cup of milk for boiling. Now add a pinch of turmeric, some pepper powder, cinnamon powder. Next, add half inch of grated ginger and some coconut oil, which has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Stir the mixture and let the milk boil for a while. This will help to seep all the nutritions of the spices. This is typically made and served as warm beverage drink for guests or for those who are down with cold or flu. Turmeric and milk are known for its medicinal properties, and when combined together and served, they help to boost the immune system. Chai is the sort of drink that cuts across languages, cultures, and unites people all over a hot cup of cutting. Here is a chai recipe that will boost your immunity, aid digestion, and strengthen from within. Start by adding a cup of water for boiling. Let it simmer and add cinnamon powder. Cardamom is savored across the India for its rich aroma and taste. Next, add tea leaves of your choice and let it boil for a while. Once it comes to boiling, our decoction is ready. Add the milk of your choice and sugar if you would like, and further boil it for 2 minutes. Strain it and our cutting is ready for serving. Me being me, how can I not suggest you a green tea recipe? So, start by putting a cup of water for boiling. Next, you have to grind 1 inch of cinnamon and 5 peppercorns. Add this powder to the simmering water along with an inch of grated ginger rhizome. Boil it for 2 minutes and add green tea. Turn off the gas and leave it as it is for 5 minutes. Once the tea has cooled down, add lemon and honey according to your taste and savor the immune boosting green tea. Green tea contains antioxidants that boost immunity and also contain lipids that reduce the risk of heart disease. It also helps boost metabolism so that you will be burning calories while staying healthy. The best time to try these recipes is now. Stay home, stay safe, and boost your immunity so that your body can fight against any disease. If you like this video, then don't forget to share it with all your well wishers and subscribe to my channel for a new video every week. Till then, signing off.